Welcome back, students. In the lesson Decimal Fractions, today we have studied about showing decimal fractions on a number line. Let us now revise it once again. In this picture, you can see that there is a line. This line shows you all the positive numbers. The number line starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. This line you can also see it on your small scale. Okay. Now there are two numbers placed here, 6.5 and 0.7, which are noted on the number line. Now we will discuss about how to show on a number line a particular decimal fraction. Here I have drawn one number line. I have drawn one number line. This side numbers are all positive numbers. I'll write that. Positive numbers. And here to the left side there are negative numbers. Okay. And 0 lies in between positive and negative numbers. That means the 0 is the neutral. 0 does not have any sign. It is at the center of a number line. Now students, let us note down 1.3. We will show 1.3 on this number line. First we have to consider the whole number, that is 1. So 1 is present here. 0.3. 0.3 means 3 small parts after 1. Always remember, between two natural numbers or two integers there are 10 small parts. Okay, there are 10 small parts. Let's first draw 10 small parts between 1 and 2. And this purple color line is fifth one. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, and this black line is a fifth line. So see now, this is first line 1, this is second part, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 small parts between 1 and 2. Now students, we have to find out where does 1.3 lie on a number line. So first basically we are considering 1. I'll take another color. This is 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. So this is 1.3. Okay, 1.3. Let's discuss another point. 2.4. Now we will find out where does 2.4 lie on this number line. First, what we have to consider? We have to consider a whole number. So whole number is 2 and 0.4 will be placed afterwards. So the number will be written after 2. So we have to make 10 equal parts of 2 to 3. From 2 to 3 we have to make 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this purple line is fifth one. Then 6, 7, 8, 9 and this black line is 10th one. 2.4. First of all, this is 2. This is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and this is 2.4. 2.4. 4. I hope you are understanding this concept. We have finished now positive 2 examples. Now we will take negative 2 examples. Minus 1.7. We will find out where does 1.7 lie, which is negative number, minus 1.7. Which numbers 10 equal parts we are going to make? We are going to make 10 equal parts from minus 1 to minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then minus 1.7. This is minus 1.1, minus 1.2, minus 1.3, minus 1.4, minus 1.5, minus 1.6, minus 1.7. Okay. Next example. One more example we will take. Minus 0.1. Minus 0.1. Let's find out where to place minus 0.1. We have to now make 10 equal parts from 0 to minus 1. Because why? This is minus 0. So from 0 to the next number to the left, minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. This purple line is fifth one. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Minus 0.1 is here. First line after minus, first line after 0 to the left side, minus 0.1. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.